Hello, ignore the hair. Because, I literally just woke up. And I've been meaning to do this video for a bit. So, I went to the dollarama. I did buy more things, but I actually needed it. It was just like a small little grocery pickup. Sorry, I'm just kind of distracted by my cats. And I'm like, you know what? Since I got a new Pokemon book, why not be responsible and get more cards to go with it? So I got the $4 pack. It's supposed to be the surprise, I guess, what do you random mix, and it has like different, it says theme packs. Like I can end up with what? Yeah, it just says theme packs and card protectors. So the last time I ended up with a card protector, I was surprised because I never actually read it. And it says it may contain the originally sealed packs that it came, so that means there are some that they didn't, pre-organize for us. So I picked up this one. It looks like I have some colored sleeve protectors. If I ever decide to play my cards physically, I will, I guess, use them. It says 20, and I got them in black, so not the most exciting for me because I do have a lot of black items, so I will probably end up putting this away in one of my books. Okay, this one says 4 cards guaranteed hollow. So, see? So, my 4 cards are Sunfern, Hilo, Wingar, Krydia. No, these cards are not for you. And my hollow is Manectric. Which, that one actually, I don't mind. Now, I got 4 energy cards. And let's see that, I'm not too excited on that. So, energy cards are always useful anyway when you play the game. And these are all the new designs, so it doesn't hurt. Oh, they have a 2017. I didn't have that one. 2017 electric energy card. Then these are like more recent 2022 fire, water, and then a 2020, I guess, mystic or something. Oh, whatever. I'm not thinking about what I'm having today. And these should just be 5 regular cards. Hopefully. Well, having the sleeve protectors and all that, that's already, like, getting the value back, but not my most favorite pack. Let's see. Well, Wallace, I've gotten as a trainer card. Then I have Blitzel. This guy I don't know. He's probably in one of the newer games. He's 2021. I don't think I've ever had him. I should replay a game and see. Floragato, 2023. This is definitely from the newer generation because I haven't watched it. Apom, who I love, little crazy monkey with a handtail, and Thero, the birds. So honestly, I would still say if you get the, what do you call it? If you get the little surprise pack for $4, it's still worth its value. Would I do it all the time? No. Do I want to be crazy and fill up my books to max capacity? Maybe. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this whole Dollarama $4 surprise pack. Why I opened this when I don't need to, I don't know. I should put this back because I really don't need it, but I already destroyed the packaging. So anyway, see ya, ignore the crazy hair, and bye.